Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Go Weather by the Go Dev team. Now, Go Weather is basically a home screen widget that shows time and weather information like beautiful widgets. Now let's take a look. Go Weather has three versions of its widget, namely the 4x2, 4x1 and 2x1. Three widgets. What's special about Go Weather is that it has skins of popular widgets. This is the HTC widget, the HTC skin I mean. But as you can see, there are limitations to the imitation, sort of, where the things don't flip like the original HTC widget would. Tapping onto the weather icon, we can see weather information. If we tap more, we have other informations as well. Swiping to the left, we have other cities that you can add. The transition between the background video is a bit choppy, and Go Weather doesn't have the animation overlay as provided in beautiful widgets. Down here we have a tab that we can pull up to see detailed local forecast. We can minimize it down to here or minimize it altogether. This bar we can actually scroll to the left or right. It's a 6-day forecast, so you are missing, let's say today is Saturday, we will be missing Friday. Taking a look into the settings, we have all these things. Then here we have the specialty of Go Weather, where we can choose to download special made videos for the video animation you see just now, or we can have a wallpaper theme where the wallpaper actually shows weather information, I believe. And last but not least, the widget itself. As of current, there are only 5 skins that you can choose from, of which 4 are optional downloads. The default style is as included. I've chosen the HTC style, as this would be the default style with grasses and stuff. And let me change it to the simple style. This would be simple style. Tapping more, we have these things. If you have a tutorial there, and the add button here serves to add a new city, update details and everything. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.